Jurisprudence of Thomas Hobbes. Introduction. Good morning, everyone. Today I will discuss the jurisprudence of Thomas Hobbes, one of the most influential political and legal philosophers of the 17th century. Hobbes is best known for his famous work, Leviathan, where he explains the origin of law, the need for a sovereign authority, and the foundation of political obligation. Historical background. Thomas Hobbes was born in 1588 in England during a time of political instability and conflict. The experience of the English Civil War deeply influenced his thinking about law, order, and authority. Hobbes believed that without strong authority, society would fall into chaos and violence. State of nature. Hobbes explained his legal theory through the concept of the state of nature. According to him, before the creation of government, humans lived in a condition where there were no laws and no authority. In this state, every person had complete freedom, which led to constant conflict. Hobbes famously described life in this state as solitary, poor, nasty, brutish, and short. Because people are naturally self-interested and equal in strength, competition and fear lead to a war of all against all. Social contract. To escape this chaos, individuals agree to form a social contract. Through this agreement, people surrender some of their freedoms to a central authority called the sovereign. This sovereign power creates laws and ensures peace and security. For Hobbes, law exists only when there is a sovereign authority to enforce it. This idea strongly influenced later legal positivist thinkers like John Austin. Role of the sovereign. Hobbes argued that the sovereign must have absolute power to maintain peace. The sovereign can be a monarch or an assembly, but its authority should not be divided. If power is weak or fragmented, society may return to the dangerous state of nature. Criticism of Hobbes. Many philosophers criticized Hobbes for supporting absolute authority. For example, John Locke argued that government power should be limited and that people have natural rights such as life, liberty, and property. Others believed Hobbes underestimated human morality and cooperation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the jurisprudence of Thomas Hobbes emphasizes the necessity of strong authority, law as the command of the sovereign, and the social contract as the origin of the state. Although controversial, Hobbes's ideas laid the foundation for modern political and legal philosophy. His theory reminds us that law and order are essential for a stable society. Thank you.